7 trillion worth of projects.
Ma'am, accomplishment na, accomplishment eh. Pinabasa ko yung budget eh. Pumasok budget namin na ganito ganyan. Kung budget eh. Yung accomplishment na kung saan napunta yung binudget na yun.
Wait lang.
Nakikinig eh.
Pinabasa mo lang yung budget.
I'm still reading to you the accomplishment in general. This is persona of PRRD. You're asking for specific. Go to deep.
Hindi kami
Hindi ba yan kabubuhan? Go to DPWH. Isa-isahin doon. Dito, the fact na dito ay nasa ano yan? Hindi yan accomplishment.